everyone, welcome to our channel, My Life Philippines. It's Saturday afternoon. We're here in Mawakya, Mabiga, Mabalacat, and we're going to buy some foods here. And later I will cook, and we're going to Angeles later.
What is? People play here, it's for children. Also have CCTV. It's also playground for children. Balacat 3. Drinks also here. Hi. Shaira know where I can buy. We always buy here in this shop. Mango. Potato, Shaira, you don't have, need also potato. This is sweet potato, it's cheapest. What you bought, Shaira? Potato. What you want to cook today?
Up to you.
Soup maybe?
Meat?
Aye? No, up to you. Up to you. What you want? This one maybe. One. This. Yes, maybe this.
Apo.
Another next children and 20 more. Shaira, we already give and we asking more. You know. These children already have money. And asking more, Shaira, you know, you cannot help all. Help to all not easy. Slippers your size, Shaira? But you have already.
Kaning kayo, boy?
Ano sa isa?
Ali.
Pagkaya ito?
Magkano yung mga nini?
Okay ba?
Mamalati ko bitis ah. Ang kids siya rin bitis.
Try mo ito. Try.
Up to you. Give me plastic, Shaira.
Kuya mo na. Saan yata?
Your size or not? Or small? Small little bit, yes. So you need more more.
Paano ba yata ini?
Magkasay ko kasi sasaling kay sandals yan. Nakalati bitis. Salamat.
Shaira?
Sir, you want rescue, sir?
Yes, yes. Before we bought in the Thailand, the same.
This is my friend's good.
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Hindi, wala ba?
Wow.
Ganda.
Ha? Okay, same nung kay. Magkay tabi ba?
Ito po. 50 po, gusto niya po. Gana-gana.
Little bit not the same in Thailand, yes, Shaira? Not the same. Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Back to-
come again, sir.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Yeah.
Don't know where Shaira. Shaira не. What you want to buy?
Gulaman.
Gulaman? Okay. How much gulaman?
5 pesos lang.
5 peso. Okay. Hi.
Hi, vlog!
Hi. Massage. Ah, massage here.
I know.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Plastic, Shaira, plastic with hole. That's why many potato lost already. But children help. Yes, children help me to. Yes.
We already buy or bought some things we have for kukleta, and sometimes we go to public market, we need to take some coins so that we can give in the children or something.
Yeah, because if children walk, follow you, need to prepare coins. If you could give coins little bit, they stop and you can walk alone. Right?
Yes. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Okay.